Yeah.
Hey guys, it's your boy 300 Mopar coming back with another little video here. Today I'm just gonna do a pretty simple how-to video. We're just gonna kind of do a little showing on how to install grill glow on your car. Putting some grill lights on my boy Reel to Reel's 2019 Scat Pack charger. So the kit that we decided to go with is, dang, dropping stuff, is this one here, the OPT7. Put this kit on his car for underglow too, so if you guys haven't seen that yet, go check out the video on his channel. I'm sure you'll see a video on there somewhere showing the lights, what they look like on his car, so you can go and check that out there. I have not done an install and underglow yet video, but I have some people that want to see one, so I'll do one on the next vehicle that I do. But for the time being, we're just going to wait for him to show up here. We're going to go ahead and put these lights in the grill, and we'll go from there. So also make sure you guys hit that like button, that subscribe button. Go ahead, leave a comment, and turn on that bell notification too, so you stay up to date with the next videos. So I appreciate it. Catch you guys here in a couple seconds. Alright guys, so you can see here now I done changed cameras. I'm on the phone right now, but I just wanted to show you a little bit where the lights are at, because I know I explained it a little bit in the other video, but I can't get that camera down here, so I'm just going to show you this way. So you can see we put, ooh, can I get my hand up there? Up here in the grill, we got two lights, one right there, one somewhere right there, and we got the two down here. Now obviously you ain't gonna see none of these wires that you see hanging right here. I'm gonna run all these along the sides down over here. Everything's plug and play with this kit. You literally just clip stuff together right there and run it into the box that I'll show you here in about 2 seconds. So touch back in a second. Alright, so now you've seen it. I'm back on the regular camera again. So, kind of show you a little bit. I know I heard him just telling his viewers too that he's gonna probably get out there tonight, so it's a little bit darker and you can actually see these lights a little bit better down there. But so yeah, maybe I'll meet up with him tonight too and try and get a little video so you can see this at nighttime. And then you can see the underglow too at nighttime. But I asked this boy last time we did the underglow. I said, man, send me the picture. Yeah. I said, send me a picture of the underglow. Hey, like a month later, I get that. Yeah. I'm like, man, I need to just go get it myself.
I'm bad with pictures and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Man. I never take pictures. I let everybody else do that type of stuff. And
got
I just
the lights.
post it and tag them in it.
Yeah. This boy over here, he said, I ain't good with no camera picture time, but he'll vlog all day.
And we'll vlog all day. That's what we supposed to do.
Yeah. So there it is.
So if y'all don't know who car,
That's his car.
that's real gang. That's the YouTube.
Same thing.
He said same thing.
Make sure you watch how you spell it too, because it's definitely
It's
a different spelling.
R-E-I-L.
Yeah.
And not R-E-A.
Or go check out his merch too.
Yeah,
See
man.
him wearing
Y'all know,
it.
man. Go
Yeah.
cop the merch ASAP. We won't let this down.